Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up your account recovery to unlock your forgotten Apple ID password or device passcode on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and from the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on your account at the top here. In here, tap on Password and Security. Next, we go down and tap on Account Recovery. Now in here, you can add a recovery contact or use a recovery key. So if you want to use a recovery contact, you can tap on it. And then instead of add someone you trust, ask for help in person or by phone. So if you forgot your password or device passcode, you need to reach out to your recovery contact for help, and they will help you get back into your account. So I'll tap on Add Recovery Contact. Now before you can proceed to the next steps, if any of your devices connected to your same Apple ID, and if they are not if it does not have the latest iOS, then you will need to update them. For any devices that cannot update to the latest version of iOS, they would need to be removed from the Apple ID will need to be removed from that device in order for you to proceed with setting up the account recovery contact. And after that, you can tap on Remove Devices in Settings, or you can tap on OK and do it at a later point. And from there, you can follow the on-screen to proceed with setting up your account recovery contact. Now, the other option is to set up a recovery key, so you can tap on that. And then in here, tap on Recovery Key, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And then it says, are you sure you want to create a recovery key? Just tap on Use Recovery Key, and from there it will generate a 28 characters key that you can write down into your notepad or into your computer, so that later on, if you forgot your password, you can use the recovery key to sign back in to your Apple ID account. Now I'm not going to go ahead at this point in time, so I'm just going to cancel. If you want to continue, you just tap on Use Recovery Key, and the iPhone will reveal the code for you to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.